In this video, we are going to focus mainly on arithmetic sequences. Now, to understand what is arithmetic sequences, we'll take one example, some examples of arithmetic sequences. It's an example 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 and 27. This is an arithmetic sequence, right? 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. So in this, the first term, this 3 is A1. First term is 3. Second term is A2. Third term is A3. Fourth term is A4. Fifth term is A5. Sixth term is A6. And the seventh term is A7. Right? These are the 7 terms in this sequence. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term and seventh term. Now to go from the first term to second term, we need to add 4, right? To go from second term to third term, we need to add 4. Again, to go from third term to fourth term, we need to add 4. So you can see that this 4 we are adding. We are adding to each term. A1 plus 4 is equal to A2. A2 plus 4 is equal to A3. A3 plus 4 is equal to A4, right? So this 4 is known as the common difference of the sequence. Common difference. So this 4 is known as common difference of this sequence, right? Now in an arithmetic sequence, the pattern is based on the addition and subtraction. Now in the sequence we are adding. In some sequences we are subtracting also. So there are 2 types of sequences. Increasing order. It can be the increasing order or it can be the decreasing order also. Now the common difference D. Common difference is denoted by D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to A3 minus A2. Right? So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to A3 minus A2. And so on. Is equal to A4 minus A3 equal to, we can write like this. Right? Now I'll talk about the arithmetic mean. What is an arithmetic mean? Now this is arithmetic sequence, right? In the sequence, how we can write the arithmetic mean? So the arithmetic mean, suppose 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. It is an arithmetic sequence, right? So suppose this is A, B, C. First term is A, second term is 7 and the third term is C. So this B is equal to, middle term is equal to A plus C by 2. A plus C by 2. This is known as arithmetic mean. This is arithmetic mean. This is the formula for the arithmetic mean. You can check it from this sequence. You can check it. Now, how you can find out 19? 19 is equal to this A5, right? 19 is equal to 15 plus 23 by 2. We'll see that. A5, right? A5 is equal to A4 plus A6 upon 2. What is A4? A4 is equal to 15 plus A4 is 15 and A6 is 23 upon 2. So 15 plus 23 is 38, right? 38 by 2 is equal to 19. So see this 19. So A5 is equal to 19. This is known as arithmetic mean from the arithmetic sequence, right? Arithmetic mean. What is the difference between the arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series? A sequence is basically a list of numbers like 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 23, 27. What is an arithmetic series? A series is the sum of numbers in a sequence. These are the numbers in a sequence. So, series is the sum of the numbers. That is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27. This is the arithmetic series. Right? So did you understand what is the difference between sequence and series? Sequence is the list of numbers and series is the sum of the numbers in a sequence. Right? So this is an arithmetic sequence and this is an arithmetic series. Right? So there are two types of sequences and two types of series. Now we will see what are the two types of sequences. There are finite sequence and infinite sequence. Okay, two types of sequences are there. First one is finite sequence. So this is finite sequence. Which is a finite one? 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 and 27. These are finite. So this sequence is finite sequence. This is finite sequence. Why it is finite? Because it has a beginning and an end. You see, which is a beginning number? This is a beginning number and 27 is the ending number. So that's why this is a finite sequence, right? Finite sequence. What is an infinite sequence? Can you tell me what is an infinite sequence? Next we'll see the infinite sequence. That is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27 and so on, dot, dot, dot. That means the beginning number is 3, beginning term is 3 and it has not an ending number. Can you find any ending number here? No. 27 and again it's going on. That means we cannot count it, uncountable. So it is an infinite series. That is, it is infinite. It is infinite. This sequence is known as infinite sequence. Now same way, what is a finite series? Finite series. What is a finite series? Finite one. That is 3, 7, 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27. So you can see that it is a beginning number and an ending number, right? So it is actually series. This is series, sum of numbers. So we can say that this series is finite. This series is finite series. So what will be the infinite series? Can you tell me what is infinite? That is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus dot 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 etc etc. That is so on. 3 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus and so on. So this is known as infinite. This is infinite series. This is infinite series, right? This is infinite and this is infinite sequence. This is infinite series. Now we'll talk about a formula which we need to find any term in the sequence. Suppose the sequence is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 and 27. Suppose it is a finite sequence. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 and 27. Suppose you want to find out the fourth term. That is 3, 7, 11, 15. 15 is the fourth term, right? A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Last term is 7. That is A7, right? Suppose you need to find out A5. We can use this formula. That is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need to find if you need to find a5, we can use this formula. Instead of n, we can write 5, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term of, that is a1, right? A is same as a1, that is a5 is equal to a1 plus 5 minus 1 into d. D, common difference. What is the common difference here? What is a1 here? A1 is equal to, first term is known as a1. First term, that is 3. D, what is the common difference here? D is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, right? So a1 is 3 and d is 4. Now a5, what is the value of a5? a1 is 3. First term is 3. 3 plus 5 minus 1. 5. Suppose this fifth term you need to find out, you have to write 5 minus 1. If the fifth term, 5 minus 1. If you need to find sixth term, 6 minus 1. Right? So, fifth term we have to find out here. So, 3 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4 into. What is the common difference? Common difference is 4. That is equal to 3 plus 16 is equal to 4. 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Now see what is a5. You can check this answer also. a5 is equal to 19. a5 is equal to 19. So this formula gives you, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula gives you any term in the sequence, right? Any term in the sequence. If you want, you can find out a 100th term. If you want, you can find out 27th term, 1000th term. Any term you can find out by using this formula, right? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Next thing is, we need to calculate the sum of n terms. How we can find out the sum of n terms? For that, we have to get a formula, that is Sn is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into a1 plus an, a1 plus an, or we can say that n by 2 is equal to a plus first term plus last term. First term plus last term. If you don't know the last term, L, ending number, if you don't know the ending term, we can write one more formula is there, that is n by 2 is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. That means if you don't know the last term, we can use this formula, that is Sn, number of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll find out this sum of this arithmetic sequence, right? Sum of the sequence. Then we will write one more series, that is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27, right? 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27. How we can find out this sum of this series using this formula, right? So you know this first term and the last term, right? First term is 3 and the last term is 27, right? So Sn, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there, right? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. That is equal to S7. 7 terms are there, right? So n by 2, that is 7 by 2 multiplied with 2 into, not 2, we'll apply a plus n, a1 plus an formula or a plus l formula. What is a? First term is 3. We know the first term as well as the last term, right? 3 plus last term is 27. Last term is 27. First term is 3. So that is equal to 7 by 2 multiplied with 27 plus 3 is 30, right? So 2 goes on 30, 15 times, right? 15 times. So 15 sevens are, 7 fives are 35 and 105. So Sn, sum of 7 terms, that is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27 is equal to 105. Am I right? It is 105. So, this is S. This is the formula for finding sum of n terms. Right? So, we'll check from this sequence also. Now, what is the 3 plus 7 sum of this term? We are getting, by using formula, we are getting this 105, and we'll check from this series also. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 11 is 21, 21 plus 15, 21 plus 15 is 36, 36 plus till this 36, 36 plus 50, 36 plus 50 is 86, right? 86 plus 19, 86 plus 19 is 105, right? So after adding all these numbers, we are getting 105, right? So formula for finding n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So children, in the next class, we will do problems on AP. If you like this video, please do like and give comment, children. Thank you.